It is unfortunate that Government of India has repealed Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. This is one of the draconian decision that Government of India has taken to repeal this Manrega. Manrega was giving right to work to the people, but the central government has snatched that right from people, particularly those agricultural laborers who are dwelling in rural area. Not only that, this was intended to create assets in rural area, panchayat area. Now asset creation in panchayat areas, rural areas is just a dream. They want a new scheme to work in such a way that those laborers will go and work with contractors, national highway builders, railway builders, dam builders. The whole total spirit of creation of assets in the rural area is deprived. Not only that, panchayats were given the right to select what work to be taken, where the work to be taken. But now that right is snatched away by Government of India, and they are going to direct what work is to be taken, what panchayat is to be given that new scheme Ramji. This is how the whole negative working of Government of India. We have decided that we should approach court of law. We have also decided to take it to people's court, and there are many panchayats which have now come forward, which have now are keen to take it to Supreme Court. We are exploring what should be done. We will take decision in couple of days.